to my channel. So today we are going to see what is Snowflake and what are the advantages of Snowflake. So without any further ado, let's get started. As we all know, data is a core asset for modern enterprises. Managing and storing of this data has become a critical function for modern business operations. Companies are now choosing a data platform that can handle massive volumes of big data, high speed, reliability, and not to mention ease of use. Most enterprises are already using a cloud data platform, but many enterprises are still evaluating whether a data migration might be needed or not in order to stay competitive. One of the most popular data platform is Snowflake. Snowflake operates as a cloud data warehouse and it is known for its ability to support multi-cloud infrastructure environments. So now let's look into what is Snowflake. Snowflake is a data warehouse that allows us to store and process the data. Snowflake runs completely on public cloud infrastructures like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. We cannot run Snowflake on any of the private cloud infrastructure. Snowflake is given to us as a software as a service. So now what is this software as a service? Software as a service is a software distribution model in which a cloud provider has an application that he wants to give to the user. Now the cloud provider comes and hosts the application on the internet, and all the end users who wants to access that application, they can access this application over the internet without installing the application on their machine. Snowflake also provides a solution that are faster, easier to use, and far more flexible than the traditional data warehouses. Snowflake is not built on any of the existing database technology or big data software platforms such as Hadoop. Instead, Snowflake combines a completely new SQL query engine with an architecture that is designed for the cloud. Snowflake provides all the functionality that are provided by enterprise analytic database, but it also provides many additional special features and unique capabilities. Now let's look into what are the advantages of Snowflake. The first advantage is ease of implementation. Snowflake is not a packed software that we can install on our machine. There is virtually no hardware or software to install, configure, or manage. All the maintenance activities, management, upgrades, tunings are handled by Snowflake itself. We can be up and running in Snowflake in couple of minutes. Once you have logged in into your Snowflake account, you can start creating database, table, and you can start loading your data. Second advantage is cloud first approach. Snowflake is designed to harness the power of cloud computing technology. It simplifies the process to store and analyze the data using a cloud technologies. Takes cloud-oriented design supports multi-cloud system and cross-cloud applications. This is a popular tool that can be deployed on top of cloud providers like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google. The third advantage is Snowflake supports both structured and semi-structured data. Unlike the traditional data warehouse platforms, Snowflake supports both the structured as well as semi-structured data. You can combine and load all your JSON, XML, or CSV data into database directly without any transformations or conversions. Snowflake automatically optimizes the data storage and query processing. The fourth advantage is performance. Snowflake provides high performance compared to the traditional data warehouse platforms, as Snowflake allows the users to run huge volumes of queries and easily scale up and down based on requirements. It has infinite scalability feature which allows you to manage all your workload independently without affecting overall performance of the system. Fifth advantage is low cost. We only pay what we use in Snowflake. Snowflake is a very cost-effective data warehouse platform and its pricing models differentiates it from other vendors. We actually only need to pay for the computer and storage we use. We can also store unlimited amounts of data at an affordable rate. Snowflake will actually only charge us as it provides a feature to on and off the computer resources. Snowflake offers multiple editions to meet the usage and budget requirements to all kind of customers. Next advantage is advanced data sharing capabilities. This is to share the data among its users. Snowflake supports the data sharing with external parties using reader's account, and this reader's account we can directly create from user interface. The seventh advantage is high availability. High availability is one of the essential benefits of the Snowflake. Snowflake can be distributed across all the region of the cloud provider. So it provides a constant service even when there is a component or the network failure. Snowflake also has out-of-box features to handle the demanding need of growing enterprises, like separation of storage and compute, on-the-fly scalable compute, data sharing, data cloning, and third-party tool support.